Welcome, my fellow well done women. I'm so excited that you're here and have decided to invest in yourself and the call God has placed in your life. In Luke 9:1, it says that Jesus called his disciples together and then he gave them what they needed and then he sent them out. So he called, he gave, he sent. You're here because you know that God has called you and appointed you to serve him and his people in a very specific way. He's placed this vision in your mind and in your heart and a burden to help a particular people group. And he's gifted you with unique gifts and talents. He's allowed you to walk through certain life experiences, maybe painful journeys, and he's set you apart with a certain skill set to do this thing he's calling you to do. But where in the world do we start? What type of business is best for your vision? How do you find your people in the vastness of the internet? How do you build a brand that stands out from millions of other businesses that looks like yours? How do you sell your products and services without being icky and salesy? How do you grow a team? Automate your business? What about taxes, marketing, pricing, emails? And then what in the world do we do with social media? Listen, Well Done Women was created to equip you with the tools, education, resources, templates, and Christian coaches you need to feel confident moving forward in the calling to build this God-sized business. Remember, he calls, he equips, and he will send you out to launch your business in his timing for his glory and for the good of his people. And you are asked to say yes to the call and take a step forward in faithful obedience. Our goal in Well Done Women is to help you build, launch, and multiply your God-given talents and vision so that you can hear, "Well done, my good and faithful daughter," as you step forward in the business God is calling you to start. So, if you're ready to dive headfirst into learning and growing and hearing a well done in every step of the way, join me inside the online business course where you'll get immediate access to my self-paced 6-step business framework that will guide you along the path with simple how-to lessons and plug-and-play templates so you can save time and money as you start and grow your business. And join me live every week for prayer, discipleship, new trainings, and where I answer your weekly questions to get you unstuck and moving forward. I've also invited some of my fellow Christian industry leaders to teach us about their specific niche, like podcasting, writing, speaking, hosting retreats, content creating, and y'all, that's just the beginning. We are here for you and are excited to not only educate and help you step boldly into this new journey, but to also pray for you, pastor you, and get you plugged in to the community of well done women just like you that are chasing Jesus and stepping out in faith and obedience. Welcome to Well Done Women, and if you're ready to get started, I'll see you inside.